Gold traded bearish yesterday, hit the lows at 2384. The levels which we have been discussing, I have mentioned very clearly, 2384, 2382.5 is going to be a very good support. I hope you all profited yesterday. Now what to expect today? I can clearly see the prices are divergent here from 20 period. It has taken the support from the 20 period. Also, you can see diminishing bearishness. So can we expect a reversal? Because see, the closing is about 20 period moving average and the day it started on a bullish note. Can we expect a reversal and a rise, or there is a possibility of further crash? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Just subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into the hourly chart. On the hourly charts, you can clearly see lower highs, lower lows are getting created. Second thing is the moving averages have crossed over and are trading with divergence and are staying bearish. Third is, if you look at the formation here, the rise, then the lower lows, then the retracement here. So it is delivering good waves. Any breakout beyond 2410, 2412 is a sign that we are going to buy gold at 2410, 2412 levels. Very, very critical resistance is observed here. Any move beyond 2412 should take it towards 2420, 2424 zone, which is going to be the next resistance zone. Now see the median of the Bollinger Band sitting at around 24.7, 24.10. Very, very good resistance will be observed till 24.10 levels here for gold. Now if you look at the stochastic, this is rising, the MACD is also rising, the RSI is rising. So indicators part is supportive for a further rise as of now on the hourly charts. Now look at the 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation, drop, retracement, lower highs, lower lows. Here wait for a this breakout should confirm its further movement on the upside. Yes, we have confirmed, we have seen it 2410, 2412 levels it needs to break. Also, if you look at the drop here is slightly sharper, the rise is bit gradual. Thus, I can see this as a retracement. It requires further stronger momentum on the upside to confirm a reversal. Right now, it is still not confirming a reversal. Moving averages crossing over here, this is a sign of bearish. And you can see the median of the Bollinger Bands now coming down. Also, the second observation here is the narrowing of the Bollinger Bands. Now, narrowing of the Bollinger Band suggests that it may soon start to expand, and possibly it can take a move on the upside sharper and then reverse. So this will also be considered as an expansion and then it can resume its downtrend. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over here at the bottom. See, trading with divergence suggests that it can continue on the upside. RSI rising. So on the 2 hour charts also supportive for a rise here. But see, only thing getting bearish is the crossover in the moving averages. This is not a good sign for. On the 3 hour chart, similar is the observation. See a reversal sign here, and after that, what we can see, it has to nullify the losses from this candle. So this candle has started around 2408, 2410, and that is why also I say 2410, 2412 is going to be a prime resistance zone here for gold. Also, you can see it is trading in the retracement channel. Thus, the buying entry is only if you see it is staying above 2410, 2412. As long as it stays below this, do not treat gold as bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD. See, MACD has crossed over first greener candle. This suggests that possibly fewer more greener candles can be expected, which can take the MACD a little higher, or it can continue on the retracement path for a while from now. RSI rising, coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour charts, lower lows, lower highs. Now here, you can see this, the crossover in the moving averages. Bearish sign again on the 4 hour charts as well. So what we are seeing right now is a retracement, not a reversal, and the possibility of the price is breaking on the upside exists. It can try to come towards the top of the channel. Where is the top of the channel? 2440 levels. This possibility I cannot ignore, and that is also a retracement, not a reversal. Yes, it can retrace towards these levels before taking a direction here on the downside again. Right now it is forming a nice flag. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising, good sign for the bulls. MACD has traded bearish. It is on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is also rising here. Coming to day. And before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you want to trade as per the signals, join my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services, and join the free Telegram channel. And do not miss to join the broker, which offers you a swap free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, and a safe and secure transactions and withdrawals. The recommended broker link is there in the channel and video description, and my contact details are also there in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened on the daily charts? Prices were divergent here from the 20 period moving average. We have seen it converging sharp. We have seen it erasing the gains sharp. Now what has happened yesterday? We have seen it delivering lower highs, and now it can try to first move towards the top of the channel, which is somewhere here at around 2410 2412 zone, and from those levels we will see how it behaves. Now if it gives a breakout today, possibly the retracement might continue here for a while. For next couple of sessions it may continue like this, where it can in fact try to move towards 2440-50 zone. While if you see gold trading below 2494-92 zone, again this is going to remain a critical zone, then I can expect it to move towards 2487-2484 levels, the next support zone. Below 2484 is where we can expect it to trade strongly. Let's have a further detail look. See, moving averages here are looking upwards and are staying bullish. The stochastic has come to oversold levels. The interesting part in the is the crossover in the MACD. This is a bearish cross here, and this is coming after a good retracement. I will wait how it behaves at the current levels. RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, very simple. Sell at 2494, expect 2487, 24. I am just correcting myself. It is 2384. Below 2384 is where you can expect slight bearishness towards 2378, 79.5, and below that you can expect it to move towards 2370, the next stronger support. Below 2370 it is not going to come back. We are looking forward to a sharper correction towards 2350, 2340 zone for the week. We should stay bearish if it drops below these levels. On the upside, you can buy here at 2410, 2412 levels, and beyond that you can expect it to move towards 2420, 2422 zone, the first resistance. If it stays above 2420, 2422, you can expect it to keep moving upwards towards 2428, 2430 zone, and then 2440 is also possible. The reversal confirmation on the upside is about 2445. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session. Thus, press the bell icon and join the free Telegram channel. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.